Poor Bella. Hi. You doing good? Your face. Your eyes. Scary. Boop. Okay. Bye, girl. Can't bed. Going back outside. Already? Hi. Hello. Hi, AZ. Hi, Red and Thor. What's up, BBs? Hi, Rai. How you doing? Okay, cool. I shall sit down and do thing with you guys. Sit down. Oh, my face. No, stop. No, leave that hair alone. No, I can't sit down for 2 seconds. Stop. There's a puppy's attacking me. Thor, get off my back. Oh my God, stop. Can we be calm for 2 seconds? Help. Pitbull's attacking me with kisses. Oh my God. I can't sit down. Oh no, Red, get down! Get off me! Stop! Stop! You're on fire! Stop! I can't even do a video. This is the remaining 2 puppies. Red, of course, you see videos of him before, and his brother's Thor, who should be going to a new home sooner today. If not, then probably tomorrow. But yeah, these 2 puppies are gorgeous. We have a pit bull and a shiny pit bull. Those are rare. And they keep sniffing me. And my crappy backyard shoes. Because I don't want my other shoes to be like sniffing dog. Stop, look at my camera. But yeah, look at these little derps. I love them so much. Cutie butts. Oh, Thor, dang. I can't, if I can stop looking at my face. This is what happens when you have pit bulls. Just big babies that lick you all the time. And then a rider. Oh, wow. You hating? You're not a puppy. What are you doing? Hello. Zeus. Zeus broke his chain for the 50 millionth time. So he just got his collar on. Butts. Red. Oh, somebody's nose is down. There's Ryder. Look at my chin. Stop. Such loud bark. God. Look at them. They're as big as Ryder now. That's how big my baby's gotten. That's what you get for barking so much. Ding dong. Look at them. Too many kisses. So much loving. Hi, Red. Yes.